If you want to get best view in your residence design concept with the wonderful garden ideas, you need to see this page, because this page gives much reference about that residence. These are interior and exterior residence pictures. This residence is designed by Map/MX. It is called Apartment P1. We provide the exterior and interior building pictures, so you can get the interior and exterior example. Hopefully, after seeing these pictures you can get much reference from this project. Now, this is your time to see the pictures. These are interior and exterior pictures. See the interior building first. This building is designed in big size. This room seems so great. It is luxury modern concept design with the wonderful garden ideas. The rooms are designed with some sofas. There are some pillows on these windows. In the middle of the sofas is the wooden table. This room has big transparent glass window. It displays city light view. This room has old oak flooring. Then, see the dining room. There are wooden chairs and wooden table in this room. Above them are the lamps. They are black lamp shades with some shapes. This room has big glass window which display the garden view. It is wonderful garden. There are some flowers and green plants. The garden is designed with oak flooring. You can enjoy the fresh view in this garden by walking on the oak flooring. See the stair then. There is a wooden flying stair. Anyway, this home has nice wall shelf. It is gray wall shelf. You can keep the books, accessories and miniatures on that shelf to increase the home performance. See the floor plans then. There are some floor plan pictures. Through these pictures you can get much inspiration to increase your home performance. This project shows you that contemporary design concepts with fresh wonderful garden ideas can be wonderful place for living.